Rise and shine world, talent hunt.
He created us get the power of controlling everything. Because of kindness, humanity gets lost. Who do you represent and why he chose me? Wait, I'm not judging, of course, I understand you. Let us say you are a young man whose parents get divorced at young ages. You strip by using pills and drugs. You have money, but no one loves you. You are a woman who used to pray, and now you don't believe in Christianity. You said that the club is full of saints and the church is full of mothers. Don't sin against it is replaced by Jesus paid it all, and now you are a gold digger. I have good news. He chose me as he chose you. We are always in Eden with fear, and Jesus saved us on the cross with victory. Put your faith in Christ, follow the Bible and God's teachings. You represent the right to the world. Serve God with humanity. The fruits of Holy Ghost, humanitarian, we need it.